everybody, and welcome to Herrera Kiddy Lab, and now we're inside to learn about science and how,
with ton and ton of experiments,
and in 2 different languages.
Let's start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Hi everybody, today we're doing an experiment about sound.
That's right, and for this we use my handsome telephone. Pay attention.
To find out how sound propagates, we set up the following objectives. If we can listen to our classmate, if we can listen if something touches the string, how the strength modifies the sound, and how the sound changes with nylon and elastic band.
Our hypothesis before the experiment were, we thought that when listened to our classmate, we also before that, we thought that the possibility of touching the string would listen anything. The length make the sound weaker. With nylon would listen better than with the elastic band.
To test our hypothesis, we used the following materials: 2 yogurt containers, toothpicks, a sewing thread, elastic band, and nylon.
And you ask how make them. These are the steps. First, we make a hole in the yogurt container. Second, we introduce the thread. Third, we tied the thread. Finally, we started talking.
We tried over and over, and we obtained the following results. When we touch the string, we can listen. The longer the thread is, the weaker we listen. We listen with the sewing thread, but we can listen with the elastic band.
To finish, we drew the following conclusion. We listen to our classmate, send to the vibration, throw to the thread, transported to one container to another.
Well, this has been our experiment with the sound. We hope you enjoyed and learned.
Try it at home and enjoy it.
Bye there friends, and see you in the next chapter of Herrera Kiddy Lab.
Don't miss it.
Bye.